Hey everyone, Eric here from Macfix, back at it again. Got you another video today. Got this nice MacBook Air in here for repair. This is a 1932 model, which is a 2019 space gray non-touch bar. Do they put touch bars on the MacBook Airs? I don't think so. So we know it's in here. Obviously it's in here for repair. It's actually liquid spill repair. Very nice little background there. Oh, look how nice it fits. Absolutely perfectly. Oh, it feels so good when it fits there, right? It's in here for liquid spill repair. Now, the client came in and said they did spill some liquid on it, and now it's not charging, it's not doing anything, and that's why it's here, right? That's what we're going to be doing today. So for this one, we did actually test it out a little bit. We took a quick look on it. We actually see there was a little bit of damage to the port itself there. There is very minor damage to the board. It just looks like it's just more of like a cleanup job there. It's probably not going to be too fun. It's not going to be too great. We'll show it anyway. Just a little bit of the damage there, but it doesn't look like it's anything really impacting the main power rails there. And this one looks to be a little bit more straightforward. But what we did notice is, well, especially with the voltmeter, and we checked it before, that it's actually just blinking out. It's blanking out. Both ports are actually doing a pretty bad thing. So they're not showing any voltage going in whatsoever. You're not getting your 20 volts. You're not getting 5 volts. You're getting nothing absolutely. So usually when you plug it in, you're getting absolutely no voltage in, especially the voltmeter. Usually means there's a problem with the port, right? So that's kind of what we're going to be looking at, because obviously that's it. Actually, I didn't even unplug it today. A little bit of the corrosion on the board, but again, it's nothing too fun, nothing too exciting. Probably just put some alcohol, clean that up, call it a day. But we got our major thing is right here. So let's actually go into Microscope. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Yeah. So let's go. We put it under here. See the board? We just saw there was a little minor damage, which would kind of make a little bit of sense, because here, right here, where you see this, all these little teeth, this is your connection actually to the USB-C, and this is where you're going to be plugging in the port. This one's actually in a good mood because it is a removable one, and it's not that non-removable one, which I think is only one model anyway. We see a little bit of corrosion above where the capacitor is above the speaker connection, which doesn't look to be too bad, and that's really it, what's going on there. But when we detach this, we actually do see where this connects, and we can see there is a bit of damage to USB-C connection. I've shown other models too about just doing the repair for this one, but since these are removable, it's usually better to just do a full replacement. So this is how it does look like, and this is how it should look like, right? So if you get a replacement here, you see how clean and nice these are. This is you, and this is the guy she says don't worry about, right? All right, nice clean cut guy. Well, it's usually the opposite, right? Nah, I don't know. Whatever. Again, we're just going to be doing a replacement on this one, and we're going to be seeing if it's going to go ahead and work. Okay, we did do a little cleaning. It's kind of boring, to be honest, but at least the areas are clean now. There's like another little area there, just a little bit of surface damage, so it's nothing too big, but this will be your most effective fix, actually, just doing this. So we can just attach this back on, and now we can go ahead and measure some voltage actually is going on there. So do you guys want to see it? Of course you guys want to see it, right? Go ahead and plug this in. You should be seeing now, we should be getting actually voltage going into it. If I could get this thing over here. Man, it's tangled. Okay, it's a mess over here. So I plug it in, and 5 volts, then we should be getting 20 volts. 20 volts. No battery, obviously, but get 20 volts. Flex. See if you guys can see that. 20 volts, yeah, you can. 0.19, that means we need a battery, obviously, and it should be totally fine there. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to put it back real quick. I'm going to put everything back because it's going to work, right? Definitely. All right, so just be right back. The Apple logo, but that's good. Boot and everything, so looks to be good. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is the quick, easiest, best way. Well, not best way. I don't know if it's really the best way, but so if you have liquid damage, it's not charging, this is usually your best outcome, maybe just to replace something that's easily removable there, just like that. And obviously that jack is something usually you can pretty much easily see it, especially if you put it under like a microscope, or if you see it's a little bit darker than if you actually look at like the USB-C connection. If the USB-C connection is a little bit darker than the other one, or just something looks a bit wrong, or some of the pins look a little bit damaged in there, definitely don't go ahead plugging it in and hopefully something's going to be great. You don't want to be ruining something else. You don't want to be blowing an IC chip or anything. Just definitely make sure you get it fixed and at least get that part replaced. This is the best type of outcome for any type of liquid spill repairs. If you're interested in other repairs, especially that are a lot more extensive, you can go ahead and check out our channel. We have lots of stuff on that, especially for MacBooks, MacBook Airs, M1 MacBooks, M2 MacBooks, you name it, we got it. So hope you guys are watching. Nice, easy fix. Nice, easy repair. Everybody's happy. So hope you guys are watching. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye.